vloggers. Today I'm going to show you how to use the jumper cables. First, you don't want them to touch. I never did this before. Hold on. Ain't it supposed to be something else? Hold on. It's supposed to be, hold on, this and, hold on, I think you can touch it with this. Okay, the red on the red. Hold on, red is getting power. Something else metal. I believe. I ain't know. I'm gonna put it here. I ain't sure. If it cranked, then I did right.
Let me step back.
Where the battery at? Right. Okay. That the red.
Yeah, that's the red right
That red. Yeah, baby. Cause I ain't got no insurance. Oh shoot. Go there, I think. And right there. Okay. Try. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Rena, that black was supposed to go to a negative.
That's what I'm saying, but I ain't seen nothing but one thing. See, these new cars, I ain't know nothing about that. I need the battery exposed. Hold on. How to unlock? How you get it up? Who vehicle this now? Damn sandwich. It say this way to unlock, that way to unlock, that way to unlock.
I think about it.
Wait a minute. Well, I don't reckon I'm supposed to be in here. You see nothing else where like no battery is? Maybe. It's metal. You reckon? Try it now. Oh snap! Bring another little something. Yeah. That today, folks, is how you jump your car. Okay, hi. Good to flick of the wrist. So the week is gone. It's Sunday. So the weekend is gone. At practice. You hear that? Time for me to end this vlog. Vlog world, this is what just bootleggedness brings you. I have not seen him in a minute. He won't call unless he wants something now.
That is not right.
Yeah. Truth though. See that? This is what I got to put up with Vlog World. And I'm out. I ain't gonna let you no response. No response. Edit out. Okay, bloggers, I am back. Oh, can you see the light? Can you see the light? However the case may be, this is the end of the night. It's about, it's, can you see that? You can't see that. It's 2:14 a.m. and we out here doing some work. You don't need to know what, but you're gonna see what, right?
Right.
Yeah, cause you know, we're gonna do this thing. 2017. Y'all already know what it's been like. Y'all gonna see, y'all gonna hear the police. You hear them? See them in the window? Boom! We got security on deck. We run these streets, you know what I'm saying? We run these streets. We run these streets.
I own the street.
I ain't saying that but all that. But however the case may be, 2017, we're gonna bring y'all some new things. I don't know what those new things are. It's just whatever. It's just whatever. Carolina, Hemingway to be exact. Got to put the light on me because I'm kind of dark. We're going to do this. You know, we're going to do this. We're going to do this.
Oh, yeah, we gonna do this.
We out.